Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing video on the Tovala Oven Pro. So I just got this in. I just signed up for the subscription. Basically just trying to cut down on cooking time during the week. So figured we'd give this thing a try. Basically, you get the oven from Tovala and then you get the meals delivered every week. I think you can go from like 4 meals a week up to like 12. Or probably even more, but yeah, essentially, this is supposed to be a smart oven. You get a QR code on all the meals that you order from Tovala, which I just got my first meals in, so I'll show you those as well. But just wanted to show you the oven. So they have 2 types of ovens. So this is the Smart Oven Pro. They also have just, I guess, the standard oven. And then, so basically, they're supposed to be pretty similar. I think the only difference is that the Pro, in addition to being able to like air fry, toast, all that kind of stuff, and cook, you can also steam the food, which is supposed to be better to keep meats juicier and also, toasting bread. So, okay, here we are. Pretty standard packaging, really. But okay, so I guess this is like a quick start guide. Yep, how to get everything set up and everything like that. That's nice, little almost like little flashcards. How to air fry, scheduling, little schedule of like if you have pizza, pasta, chicken, etc. How much you should reheat them. Oh, pretty neat. Okay. Okay, this is interesting. So there's a couple of recipes in here too, it looks like. And basically, the oven is able to scan these QR codes, and that's how you can, that's how it knows how long it's going to cook for. Which is supposed to be one of the, smart oven things about this is basically you can not only QR scan what you've bought from Tovala, but also like other, frozen meals and things like that. So let's say you buy something from Trader Joe's or something like that. Some of those things you should be able to just scan either the QR code or the barcode, and then the oven should know how to cook it. Okay. Figure out how to take this thing out. All right, it's pretty snug. All the styrofoam. Okay, here we go. Alright, what else do we have in the box? Looks like a wire tray. Probably a grease trap, and then also a user manual. Okay. Which side is up? It actually doesn't weigh that much. Okay, this is something else. Probably looks like metal and plastic. Oh, look at that. It's an oven mitt. I guess that's nice. Even though there's thread sticking out of it. Okay, that's nice. All right, what else we got? So I think they have 2 colorways. When I ordered this, it was the Pro. I could only get in the black, but they also have like a stainless steel version, but that was only the standard one, which doesn't have the steaming. Okay, so let's see this. Oh, this is actually looks really nice. There's like a sticker up here. Can't take that off right now. There we go. All right, so that's what it looks like. I guess you've got some accessories. Gonna have to figure out what these are. I'm gonna have to read the manual and get back to you guys. But all right, let's seems to be this. It says steamer on it. So I guess it's an accessory that you put on when you're steaming something. Not sure where this goes. Probably like down there or something like that. There is a manual in here, so I have to go through. Okay, yeah, so it has what everything is. So there's a drain tray, an oven rack, air fry basket, sheet tray, oven mitt right there, steamer cover, a crumb tray. Okay, cool. All right, so that's pretty much it. So yeah, overall looks nice. It's yeah, nice quality. So like I said, this one's $350. I think the base one is like $299, so it's like $50 more for the Pro. But you're able to steam, so I imagine that's probably better. That's what I went for. So probably do a follow-up video once we get this all set up. Let's take a look at how the meals come. So for me personally, I just did the 4 one to start off to see, you know, how I like the food. I've tried a couple of other meal prep or frozen type of meal services, and they haven't. Most recently was Factor, and it's still pretty pricey, but the quantity of food was like not enough. The serving size was like tiny. I was literally eating 2 meals for one. Okay, so this is nice. So this, I don't know if this is supposed to come like frozen or something or how, but okay. All right, so basically each meal is cold. Yeah. So each meal comes with a card and all the ingredients like this. So this is apricot glazed chicken breast or hake or salmon. I guess it depends on which one you ordered. I think I did the chicken. But yeah, so apparently, you know, everything comes like this. Take it out. This is cool. So this is garlic pepper filet mignon. I paid extra for this. So there's a couple of items that you could pay more for. What is that? I guess that's the filet mignon right there. Okay, meat. Okay, there's an ice pack underneath, so that's how everything comes. You got some hake, so that's the fish. Decent serving size. Filet mignon typically small anyway, so you know, not surprised that's small. That's the fish. It looks like a pretty decent size for one person. All right, I tried a bunch of different. So there's some shrimp in this one. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm gonna give this a shot. I'll probably make a follow-up video. Today I just wanted to sort of show you guys what everything looks like with Tovala. Overall, I think the reviews are pretty good, so I'm sort of excited to use this. And yeah, so that's unboxing and initial impressions of the Tovala Oven Pro. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, you know, reach out and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to grow a following, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.